everybody, are you sick and tired of having to check on your meats every 5 minutes to make sure that they don't burn or they're undercooked? Well, I was just gifted this smart meat thermometer. That way I can test it, I can try it, and I can let you all know if it works. This is everything that your meat thermometer is going to come with. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up, and then on the back of it is going to be your meat probe. So make sure it's in here while you're charging, because this is also going to charge your probe. So while it's charging, you're gonna see this is your booster, so that's this unit, this is the probe, and this is your battery life on both. And then what you're gonna wanna do next is go ahead, you're gonna pair your probe to your Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna go ahead and download the app. I just wanna go over the app with you. So this is so cool. You can literally pick whatever you want, press on it. So let's go ahead, we're gonna hit beef. It's gonna be roast or other. You can go ahead, you can hit a steak, and then you can set it. Do you want it rare? Do you want it medium rare? Medium, well done. So let's go medium rare. We're gonna confirm it. It's gonna tell you that at 125.6 degrees Fahrenheit, your steak is going to be done. If you want it done at medium, it's going to tell you there. I mean, this is unbelievable. And then you can go ahead and set an alarm. And guys, the Wi-Fi has no distance. You could be in another state cooking and it will automatically beep and tell you when it is done. So you can go ahead and hit cook, and now you can go ahead and start cooking. Then what you're going to do next is go ahead, take your probe, and you want to stick it in. And guys, this probe has 7 different points of heat elements. Then just go ahead, cook your meat. So now, whether you want to use the app or you want to use this, just go ahead and you can set everything. So this is going to be your ambient. So this is what it can cook at. This is going to be your target. This is what you want it to cook at. So you can go ahead and change the temperature by raising and lowering it. And then you can either do Celsius, you can do a Fahrenheit. I already went ahead and set it up on the app. So all I'm going to do is press start cooking, and now it's going to read what it is, and now it's going to beep when my steak is done. Guys, this is unbelievable that I have an app to cook a steak. What else is cool is that if you're using this, it's going to tell you when to flip your steak. And then on the app, it's giving us a countdown of when our steak is going to be done. And this is really cool. So the probe's in there. It's reading off of here. It's also reading off of the app. And guys, this also has 2 magnets on the back of it, so you can go ahead and just hang it right up on your stove. And now it's beeping to tell me to go ahead and flip the steak. Guys, look at how perfectly this is cooked. I cannot believe it. And guys, look at this. It just told me that my steak is done on the app. And then like I said, guys, everything with the base, you can go ahead, you can set your target temperature that you want. So you can just go ahead, increase it, decrease it, and then just hit okay. And then again, it's going to tell you when to flip. You can change that to Celsius. All right, guys, let's find out if this beautiful steak came out medium rare. Don't touch the probe. You can go ahead and just take it out with your tongs if you want, and then just set it on the counter. Okay, guys, let's see how it cooked it, if it actually got it medium rare or not. Wowza. Unbelievable. This is cooked to perfection, and there was no guesswork at all. You can just go ahead, wipe down your probe, then go ahead, put your probe back here again, and make sure that it's all charged up. So guys, I am super impressed with this, and I gotta be honest, I love the app. This is cool for indoors, but I love the fact that with the app, I could be outside, I could be driving, I forgot mashed potatoes, I gotta run to the store, and it will beep. It tells you when to flip it. So guys, if you are looking for a perfection every single time you cook a piece of meat, you are definitely gonna wanna check this out, and I cannot wait for Thanksgiving to use this, because I'm constantly opening and closing that oven door, releasing the heat and not allowing it to cook. So this is a guarantee that your food is going to be cooked perfectly every single time.